powder, and so how much water do you need? Huh? I heard somebody say 2 and that's wrong.
3.
Good. Here you are. On the video, as you've seen, it shows them putting the powder. I forget how they do it. Hopefully you don't remember either, because then you're going to call me out saying I'm wrong. There's smalls and larges. There are medium gloves, so I don't know why there aren't medium out here. This should be medium instead of another small. In our patient's mouth, we do not, our real patient, we don't put soap on it. And you barely need anything, but so it does not stick, we put just a little bit of just soap. So I just take it along there, take a long time. I mean, it's just barely anything. Then I need my 3 scoops. And once we do disinfection, this is not okay to have gloves on and be putting these things in. But since we have not done disinfection, you guys haven't learned that yet. Fluff it. So I even fluff it a little bit because this is we have a 50-pound container. It tends to settle way too much. You're going to take your flat end of your spatula. That's 1. Make sure there's no bubbles in your air pocket in here. So if I look at this, I can see an air pocket at the bottom. I'll just kind of tap it. That's 2 and 3. Put your lid on. You need to try your tray in before you actually do it. So if you had a patient, you'd explain, I'm trying your tray in to make sure it fits. You could put rubber rope wax on the back to make it extend. So I have my 3 scoops of powder, adding 3 water, and you mix until it's homogeneous. Put it all in one clump. Spread it out. Now, right here in the palate is where all this will ooze out and it'll drip everywhere and down the patient's throat. So go ahead and just take a little bit off there so they don't gag so much. Get a little bit of water on your finger, and this looks not so smooth, but as soon as I put my water over it, it's now smooth.
What about that, like, stuff hanging out? What do you do with that?
What stuff?
Like,
that little bit? It's going to happen. So you place, remember they told you to place the posterior first and then bring the anterior in. This mannequin does not have a lip, but if it had a lip, you'd make sure to pull their lip out because their lip would fall in there. And you hold it in place. And with a patient, you're behind them and holding it like this. But since I'm in front of it, you guys can do this. We know it takes about a minute, and you can just keep tapping it to see. That is not set, right? We know that. Your patient could be gagging real bad right now. You wouldn't put your finger down their throat like I just did. You would just tell them to keep breathing through your nose. The quicker you get, you could use fast set or you could use warmer water so it doesn't take so long to set up. Tell them to breathe through their nose. You could tell them to lift their feet up subconsciously. That makes them think about something else besides what's in their mouth. And this water is really cold, so it's going to take every bit of a minute and a half, 2 minutes. If you want to pause it, you can.